and Lisa and Paul and Maki. That's my brother. That's my sister-in-law. Yeah. Yep. I can't believe you lay down in the back. What a loser. Hi. Hi. Are you ready? Are you ready to do this? The superstar Binh&Tram. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Why?
She's waiting for you. She doesn't even know. I got you.
Know what?
That you're coming to give her Valentine stuff.
Who am I giving it to?
Tram?
I don't even know who.
Are you ready?
Where is it at? Is it far?
Yeah, let's go.
What are we doing?
Ben's gonna do his Valentine thing.
My leg is dead. What did I say to her?
Say whatever you want. Aww.
I didn't want to be like Andrew, so I am.
I asked early.
I asked you early. Is that her?
Yeah. Oh my god, that's her.
That's her?
Do you see her running? I see her running.
For real?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you recording?
Aww. Superhuman. Just kidding. A millie.
I want to be like Andrew, so I wouldn't be like Andrew. So.
What? I don't get it. It's upside down. She don't get it. Say it straight up. I'm sorry. I have a Valentine already. What? Oh, thank you. Oh, I got all on tape.
What are you talking about?
Okay, should I end it now? Are you gonna say? What do you say? Are you gonna say yes?
I already did.
I didn't hear you. Say it again. Say it again.
No.
Oh, she said no, people. How hurtful is that?
I know.
Yeah.
I can't even walk. I can't even walk. And this is how you treat me.
Thank you.
Do I get some food?
You gonna give him a hug?
I already did.
I didn't get on camera. Oh, okay.